Hello Shemstars, welcome to your English class. Students, today we are going to pick up an important topic from grammar, the four kinds of sentences. To begin with, students, let us first understand what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. We must remember that a sentence, it expresses a complete thought. It begins with a capital letter and it ends with a symbol. A symbol, that means it may end with a period, that is a full stop, a question mark, a sign of exclamation, which will determine the kind of sentence that is formed. Moreover, a sentence has at least one verb, that is an action word. For example, Sam went to the store. Now, followed by a full stop, this is a complete sentence. Now, let us first begin with the understanding of the subject and a predicate in a sentence. These are the two parts that complete a sentence. Students, every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. Now, what is the subject? The subject in a sentence is what or whom the sentence is about, while the predicate tells us something about the subject. For example, look at the sentence given over here. Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. Now, in this sentence, first find the verb and then make a question by placing who or what before it. The answer is the subject, Judy and her dog. Who run on the beach every morning? Judy and her dog. So, Judy and her dog is the subject of the sentence. Now, let's take another example. We spilled popcorn on the floor. Now, in this sentence, what is the verb? Spilled. So, who spilled popcorn on the floor? We. So, we is the subject of this sentence. And what is the predicate in the sentence? The sentence that, the part of the sentence that tells us what the subject is doing. That is, spilled popcorn on the floor is the predicate. Right? So, subject is whom or what we are talking about, and the predicate is what we are telling about the particular subject. Now, further, let us understand the four kinds of sentences that are formed on the basis of the formation of the words of the sentence. On the basis of the formation of the sentence, students, the sentences can be divided into four types. Declarative. Under declarative, we have assertive, that are positive sentences, and negative, that are with a no. Imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now, coming to the declarative sentence, a declarative sentence makes a statement. Right? It is a simple statement and it ends with a period. Period is a full stop. For example, the boy is happy. This is a simple statement. This is a declarative sentence declaring the boy is happy. The people are running. So these are the examples of declarative sentences. Next is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence, students, asks a question. So a question sentence is an interrogative sentence and it ends with a sign of interrogation, that is a question mark. For example, who is your teacher? Have you ever seen a flying fish? So the questions are interrogative sentences. The next type, the third type of sentence is the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence, it gives a suggestion, an order, command, request. All such sentences, they come under the imperative kind of sentences. It also ends with a period or a full stop or a sign of exclamation. For example, go to your room. Sign of exclamation. Stop. So orders, commands, requests all come under the imperative sentences. The next type of sentence, the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, students, expresses strong feelings, sudden feelings of joy, of sorrow, of pain, of grief, of excitement, and it ends with a exclamation, the sign of exclamation. For example, wow, that's great news. Hooray, we've won the match. So such sentences come under the exclamatory kind of sentences. Some examples of exclamatory words that show emotions or strong emotional responses of love, anger, happiness, confusion, or any types of emotions are wow, amazing, how terrible, fantastic, hurrah. These are all exclamatory words. So, students, once again, to revise, four kinds of sentences: declarative, that makes a statement; the interrogative asks a question ending with a sign of question mark, interrogation; imperative again ends with a full stop or a sign of exclamation; and of course, exclamatory sentences that show strong feeling of emotions end with the sign of exclamation. And let's revise with one example of each. What kind of a candy do you like? Interrogative. Go get the paper off the porch. This is a command, so this is an imperative sentence. Wow, you did great. This is an exclamatory sentence. And I love to watch old movies is a simple statement, hence it is a declarative sentence. So with this, I hope children, all of you have understood what is a subject, what is a predicate, and what are the four kinds of sentences on the basis of formation. And now, on the basis of your understanding of the video, do solve exercises A, B, C, and D from your grammar books. Till then, stay safe. God bless you all.